Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram not downloading on settings. We'll click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps and we will go here to apps window and we'll just go down here to looking for a Telegram app. We'll just go down here to find the Telegram app in this is window and we will click here on Telegram. Then we come here to next window like you say. We'll click here on for stop and we'll click here on OK and we will click here on storage. Then we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on manage storage and you'll just go to Play Store and update your Telegram app and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.